a company specializing in manufacturing sandwich panel lines and roll forming machines for 25 years. A company that produces the world's best products authorized by the Ministry of Trade, Industry and Energy of the Korean government. A global export company selected as a brand guaranteed by KOTRA. SAMSHIN Machinery Co. Limited. Sandwich panel manufacturing line. SAMSHIN Machinery's sandwich panel manufacturing system for buildings is operated by a PLC control system and a systematic, efficient, automated facility to guarantee the best working environment and the highest quality. It is a system that produces mineral wool or glass wool sandwich panels with excellent insulating effect and great incombustibility. It is composed of mineral wool board putting, steel plate putting, roll forming, lamination, panel cutting, and a discharge section. It has high functionality and durability for its price and can easily change even follow-up service. It can produce various forms of exquisite mineral wool sandwich panels continuously and efficiently. It is a line that produces polyurethane sandwich panels with high insulation and durability with low heat conductivity. An accurate amount of polyurethane is inserted according to a profile, and it can produce panels with diverse profiles, widths, thicknesses, and lengths. We especially created a customized system that can produce both urethane boards and mineral wool panels according to a customer's situation and convenience. It is an automated facility that produces EPS sandwich panels for buildings that are most economical and excellent in waterproofing. It is composed of EPS board putting, steel plate putting, roll forming, lamination, panel cutting, and a discharge section. It is an economical system with the highest performance among sandwich panel facilities. It can be easily operated with graded work and automatic control. It is a system that produces polyethylene panels used in buildings that are not sensitive to insulation and need to reduce condensation and noise. All processes from profiling and packaging can be easily controlled through a centralized control system. It also realizes perfect adhesion by increasing cooling efficiency to the maximum with a self-developed cooling system. SAMSHIN Machinery's sandwich panel line is being exported to 15 countries worldwide beyond Korea, as its simple process and high productivity are widely recognized. A reliable sandwich panel line manufacturing company with long experience and know-how. We continue our efforts to satisfy customers 100%. SAMSHIN Machinery Co. Limited, Sandwich Panel Manufacturing Line.